guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm so super excited because I am participating in the Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by Christina, the DIY Mommy. Hi Christina, thank you so much for hosting this collab. Now guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. So for today, I am going to decorate my fireplace for Christmas. And as you can see, I've taken down all of my fall decor, cleaned everything off, and now it's time to decorate for Christmas. I like starting with a blank slate so that I can have free reign to just do what I need to do to create something spectacular. So here we are with the garland that's on the mantle, and I've decided to use this garland that I've used in the past here on my mantle, but I did it a little bit differently by sloping it to one side this time. So I wanted to add a little bit of drama and make it, really festive and dramatic, as opposed to having it, traditionally done where it's just swagging the mantle equally on both sides. So this is up against the wall, so I just kind of spread it all the way across, as you can see. And going down, I did intertwine some ribbons in the garland that matched the Christmas trees for the living room as well. So I think it turned out really, really pretty. And I placed my reindeer there so I can see if I like them on the hearth. But so we'll see how that goes if I decide to keep them there. But yeah, this is how the fireplace is looking so far. And I have to say, I really like it. And here we go. I decided to go ahead and add a wreath onto the metal piece there. And I used some of the same ribbon to create a bow for the wreath, so everything will coordinate. And as you can see, it's a little bit overcast now, so the lighting is not as bright as it was earlier. But I think I'm really happy with the fireplace, mantle, and hearth. So I don't think I'm going to add anything else. I'm going to let the garland just speak for itself because it's definitely eye-catching and a statement piece. So yeah, I think I'm going to just leave it as is. But I did add in the ribbons there. I did pick the ribbons up this year from Costco. And you guys have seen this poinsettia garland. I have used it. I use it every year. I've had it for years and I absolutely love it. And I just put it in different places each year throughout my home. And so this year it made its way back to the fireplace mantle. And here you can see where I've added in the ribbon for the wreath so that everything will coordinate, and I think it looks so very pretty. So yes, now I will be showing you guys how I decorate my living room in another video, so you want to be sure to check back and make sure that your notification bell is set so you won't miss any videos. Speaking of which, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. So yes, thank you so much for stopping by if you're new here to my channel. And as you can see, I am just showing you guys the garland up close so you can get a good look of it. And yeah, I thought about adding something more, but I think this is just enough. I don't want to do too much this year, and I really want to be able to appreciate the items that I am using. And here is a sneak peek of my Christmas tree that I have in the living room. And so because it's there and it kind of ended up in the shot, I thought, okay, I'll let you guys see it. I'm not quite finished with it just yet, but it is well on its way. So you can see what I'm doing and how everything is going to coordinate together. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously. Also, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, also, let me say a huge thank you to Christina for hosting this collaboration. And I want to encourage all of you to check my description box down below so you can visit her channel and check out the playlist of all of the participants. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much. And of course, I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Be sure to leave me comments down below to let me know what you think about everything and what colors are you using for Christmas this year. I'm using the traditional colors here in the living room, and I have some more whimsical colors throughout my home. So I have a variety going on, so I'd love to hear what you guys are doing. Alrighty, I'll see you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.